What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the real buyers versus the newbie buyers, or the baby buyers, or the buyers in training. They're all sort of the same thing. What's the benefit of each of them, and how do they work together? If that's something you're interested in learning about, stick around. So the real buyers versus the newbie buyers, baby buyers, and buyers in training. They're all kind of the same thing. I just have like a couple different terms for them. But the real buyers, at any given moment in the marketplace, there's always at least one or two or three or maybe even four or five real buyers for your home, which are the buyers that are going to pay you the maximum market value for your home, give you the terms you want, be great buyers to work with, go through escrow all the way, and our system will reach out, find them. They're going to know about your house literally within hours, maybe even minutes. I don't know. As soon as we post it up all over online everywhere with our professional photos and videos and everything else, they're going to know about it. They're going to be driving by your house within a very short time, probably within a few hours, one day at the very outside. And then we're going to have them all come in and compress the market during those, days that we do our open house for our 3-day home selling system or whatever method we're using on your property. And they're going to show up during that time, and they're going to be like, fall in love with your property because they're a real buyer for your house. They're going to walk in and go, oh my God, finally we found it. Now these real buyers have seen 30 to 100 homes. 50 is probably a pretty average number. They've been looking online for a long time. They've seen probably hundreds and hundreds of homes online. They're working with an agent pretty closely. They've been out looking at properties. They know every other home in the market that's competing directly against yours. They've seen them all. They've probably made offers on a few of them. They've lost out. They've got their loan in order. They're ready to go, and they're just waiting for that right house to show up and motivate them to pay more than they ever thought possible for a house. I've never had a buyer ever tell me, Rex, let's pick a number, $1 million. $1 million is the absolute maximum I can pay for a house. I won't go a dime over that. $1 million, that's it, no more, and ever pay $1 million for a house. They always pay $1,050,000 for a house, or $1,001,000 for a house, or even $1,200,000 for a house. What they're saying is, I'll take a crummy home. If I have to pay $1 million for it, then I'll be able to deal with it. But what they really mean is, as soon as the right home comes along, I'm more than willing to do whatever it takes to find the extra money to pay for it and buy that home for my family that I love, because I know we're going to live in there and it's going to be amazing, and that's what I really want. And the money just seems to come out of everywhere. You'd be really surprised, or I don't know, maybe you wouldn't. Maybe you've been through this process yourself, where the right home is very motivating for the right buyer. Suddenly they're cashing in, something in the bank or whatever, CDs or something, and they're selling boats and cars and talking to mom and dad and uncles and aunts and everybody else, because if they really want the home, they're going to find the money to buy it. Now, our process is going to make sure all those real buyers know about your house within hours. They're going to show up during our 2 or 3 days of open houses. And the benefit of them showing up during this compressed moment in the market when we're actually, promoting the property and letting all the buyers come in, is that all the newbie buyers and all the baby buyers and all the buyers in training are also going to be there at the exact same time. So when those real buyers walk into your house and they look around, they go, oh my God, this is it. We finally found it. Oh, let's go buy the house. And then they're going to go, oh my God, look at all these people around here. This home is going to sell. Because the thing is about buyers, when they fall in love with a house and they see other buyers, they know that every other buyer wants that house desperately, as much as them. Even if those buyers have no interest in the house, they don't know it, but they think because they love it, everybody's going to love it. And that's good. Good for you, because they're going to know it's going to be a hot property, and they better bring in their highest and best offer. And then when we start having those 2 or 3 or 4 top buyers, the real buyers, compete against each other for the home, they're going to understand why that's happening, because they think it's a hot home. They've seen all the other buyers. They know they're going to have to pay way more than they ever expected, but it's the right home for their family, and they're going to find the money. So that's it for this episode of me talking about real buyers versus newbie buyers. If you have any questions, contact me about that. If you're ready to sell your home, you can call us for that too. We'll run right over there. That's it. So we'll see you at your house.